Welcome to the JP Dondero Genealogy channel on YouTube. I'm Jennifer Dondero. This short video is part of the Tech Basics series. It will show you how to perform a basic task needed as a building block for a more advanced skill taught in one of my live or online lectures. Several lectures may refer to the same video, so the example you see may or may not look like examples you saw in my lecture.
Today's Tech Basics looks at the basics of using sort and filter in Excel. This demo is in Excel 2007. By turning the filter on, we created automatic drop-down menus for each column. From these, you can choose the sort options for that particular column, and you can enter multiple ones for a column. So we may choose to sort by date first, and then by the repository. You can see the options that are presented to you change automatically depending on what you've entered in that column. If you want to clear these, you can either clear the individual options, or you can choose to clear up at the top to clear all columns at once. Additionally, you can filter by choosing the options below. These are automatically created by the column entries. You can select all and deselect all by using the first option. You will also find an option for blanks. In this case, we're looking at a date column, and because Excel knows that this column is full of dates, it's actually given us the choices of the year, then the month, and then the days that are entered into this column. We can choose as many or as few of these as we want. And now you can choose to clear this column if necessary. This clears the filter that you had applied so that you're starting from scratch again. One of my favorite ways to filter is by using the text filters, contains. This can be particularly useful in this situation where we're looking at a research log and the sources we've entered. If I want to see what I've entered for a particular county, I can enter the county name. Keep in mind when you enter your information and you later may want to be filtering it, for something like county, did you call it county CO period? Did you spell out the word county? Or did you use another abbreviation? It may not be necessary to enter the word county or whichever abbreviation you used, because you may be able to choose something else to add to it. In this case, I could add the state, or I could add the type of record I'm looking for. This is particularly useful for a column where you want to enter something like surnames that appeared in that record. All your choices are listed here, but as you can see, these are listed exactly as you entered them. So it's not practical to go in and choose just the one. If I'm looking for every occurrence of the name Allman and I select just Allman, I will only get the entries where that's the only thing entered. If I entered it in a list with others, they will not appear. Instead, I use the text filter contains, and it'll show all the places that it's occurred, even if I have a list of surnames. This allows you to create one column instead of having to create multiple columns for the first surname, the second surname, the third surname, and so on. This can be useful if you need something such as a goal field, or perhaps if you do want to create a separate location column. This has been Tech Basics, the basics of sort and filter with Jennifer Dondero of JP Dondero Genealogy.